Hello guys, this is magnetic wireless charger station, 15 watts. Okay, for unboxing. Buksan natin guys. Okay, try natin guys. Yes, very nice. Okay, try natin i-charge tong iPhone 16 Pro. Okay. Wow, nice. Okay, i-try din natin i-charge ang AirPod Pro. AirPod Dewey Pro sabay sa iPhone 16 Pro. Okay, natin. Yes. Ganda. Okay, another try. Yes. Very nice. Okay guys, thank you for watching.